Good afternoon, everybody. I'm from in Oconee County, South Carolina. Former KFC employee back in Des Moines, Iowa. Anyway, I was inspired to create this recipe because of a large recipe contest back in 2010. And then I had a chance to meet Bobby Jindal from Louisiana. And also, when I worked at Wells Fargo Home Mortgage headquarters in West Des Moines, Iowa, one of my cube mates was actually from Louisiana. So anyway, here it is. And this recipe is a little less hot than my other one. I added cardamom to this one because that's an Indian spice for the most part. So I'm going to check it out. Anyway, I'll take another picture when it cools down. Later. Bye. Good afternoon, or almost evening, everyone. My Canary Black Cajun chicken chili is about ready for consumption. I'm letting it cool down a little bit more, but I added cardamom to this. That's my second batch, second sample. So I'm going to test it out in maybe 10 or 15 minutes. So I'll keep you posted. I got to order another sign. It's going to say Canary Black Founder.